Hey Fiston, it's Bob Holzacker here at Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough. Thanks for asking about our beautiful 2016 GLE350. This is a great trade-in, 30,000 miles, very young by Mercedes standards, and it's got all of the options that you'd want to have. A lot of safety extras, blind spot assist, lane keeping assist, you have satellite radio, you have Apple CarPlay. Of course, you have the front radar collision system, which will stop the car if a pedestrian comes out in front, or a deer or a moose. Of course, you have our 4MATIC system, which is different than others. All four wheels are being powered. Let's come around back. We'll show you how much room is in here. It's really a wonderfully sized SUV. You have these seats which will go down. I'll show you how that works. This is leather interior, by the way. It's somewhat unusual. You can do this, or you can pull this up and then put that flat, and same with the other side. So it's a lot of room. Yeah, this leather interior is nice with the white stitching, one of the options it has. And the lighter colored headliner is great also. Let's take a look at the inside, and then I'll get in the other side and we'll go through some of the controls. All right? Okay, Fiston, we're inside this beautiful vehicle. You've got heated seats, of course, the Harman Kardon stereo, nav. All of your controls are here on the steering wheel to make it very, very easy. On the right side, you have your phone and audio controls, and on the left you're going to control what's behind the steering wheel. It's so quiet and composed. This is a nice, heavy, safe car. It's one of the safest, according to the Institute for Highway Traffic Safety over the years. Here is our dealership. We'll drive around. I want to show you the service drive where you would pull in for your complimentary loaner if you were having service done. And you may know that every Saturday from 8 to 12 we have our complimentary hand wash for as long as you own this car. So that's a great benefit when your car gets dirty. You can come in for a muffin and coffee and get your car washed. So here is where you would come in, drive in this side. The valets will take your car, give you a number, and then you would drive out with a loaner car for service. Okay, I am going to say goodbye now. Again, it's Bob Holzacker. I'm going to see you later this week. 207-747-9714. Thank you.